thanks, Mills, but I don't think I need backup to take down some suburban college girl. You enjoy that musical and stop trying to use me as an excuse to get out of it. Hey, look, if I had to sit through that miserable French hog, so do you, okay? Bye, Mills. Ooh, bingo. B-Y-N-G-O. I love killing, shooting things. I'll use a saw, I'll use a fork too. I love killing things with any kind of weapon. Give me a knife and I'll kill someone, and today it's gonna be stupid. Ow! Oh! Ow!
Oh! Oh.
Oh, must be watching them damn again.
Why won't she leave?
Oh my God! What are you?
I'm your worst nightmare. How are you doing this? What is that?
It's official merch from Akuma no Oto. It's the pendant given to Setsuki in episode 569 that protects its wearer from... Wait, are you a demon? Like, a real demon?
Yeah, basically. Look, where did you even get something like...
A demon? Here to steal a little kitten like me? Forced to be part of your demonic harem lushes.
Why do you think I would do something like that? Oh, you're one of those.
So what's your name?
Blitz?
What are you gonna do to me, Blitzy-kun?
Apparently nothing while you're wearing that.
I don't feel like myself. Are you putting some sort of nasty spell over me?
What? No, I'm literally just standing here, lady.
If you say so, Master. I mean, Daddy. But when you look into my eyes, it's like I have no control over my... You demonic brute!
Okay.
I'm too pure a heart for you to corrupt!
Oh, thank Satan.
Satan? Is that your lord? The one you plan to offer me to as a sexual sacrifice? But once you have me, you realize you could never go through with it because I'm the only woman who could ever make you feel something after the loss of your wife! Your wife, who was the first one your lord Satan took as a concubine, but now you'd rather have me, and you'd rather fight him to the death than allow me to come to the same fate!
Ew, lady, look, I was sent here to kill you, all right? You were online one time, someone didn't like it, they put a hit on you. I know it's excessive, but I don't make the rules, oh well.
You want to kill me?
Oh yeah, even more now.
Of course! You want to take my mortal soul to hell so that we could be together forever!
Look, whatever gets you there, can you just take off the necklace and hand over my knife?
Yes, Master! No, I mustn't. But I want you! My soul. But I'm destined for this!
Can we hurry this up?
Oh, yes!
Thanks.
Make it quick, my demon prince!
Oh, can you please stop enjoying this so much?
I will see you on the other side, my Blitzy-kun.
Stab, stab, stab. Hey, yeah, it's done. So you can go ahead and wire me that money now, and I'll go ahead and never think about this night ever again.
I'm here, Blitzy-kun! I saw your billboard! I'm here for you, my love! I'll be by your side forever! Blitzy!